Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open the hood of an Acura MDX. First, locate the primary hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull. You'll hear a click, and the hood will slightly pop up, indicating it's unlatched. This is the first crucial step to access your engine bay. Now, move to the front of your Acura MDX. Gently lift the hood a few inches and reach your hand underneath the front edge, right around the center, near the Acura emblem. You'll feel for a secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally while driving, so it's an important safety feature. Once you've located the secondary latch, either push it to the side or lift it upwards, depending on your specific model. While holding the latch, gently lift the hood fully open with both hands. Then, find the prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood, and insert its end into the designated hole to keep the hood securely open. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod and secure it back into its clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches from fully closing. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood to fully engage the latch. You should hear a distinct click. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.